Hello and welcome to the Defants vSIRT platform. In this video, we will explain how the semantic graph works. The semantic graph is a very useful tool for visualizing data that have relationships over time. It consists of nodes that represent actions, and each action has a technical value and an associated date. The nodes are connected to each other by relationships that are represented by verbs such as has, contains, execute, send, etc. For example, we can see that a host is connecting to an account who has an identity who used a session to execute some illegitimate command lines. There are three different ways to expand a node in a semantic graph. First, you can click on the green plus linked to the node to view the details and relationships of the node. You can also right-click on one or more nodes to expand them to better understand the relationship between them. Or you can right-click on the graph and expand all the nodes present to see all the relationships between data. This is how the semantic graph works, by representing the relationships between nodes in a clean and concise way. This will allow you to easily understand the actions that take place in a given system. We hope this video helped you understand the semantic graph and how it works. To learn more about the features of vSIRT, check out our other videos. See you soon.